done about 20k. I've got to try and remember that now. So this is the little town of Axedale. Township. Some boys off to the drags. I'll be seeing them shortly. There's an XY ute. Or it could be an XW ute. Can only tell by the taillights, and I didn't have a good enough look. So this was completely washed out. Had about 3 metres of water above the bridge. Got a little nasty gravel bit here. It'll probably be potholey too. And there's some rough stuff in the left lane there. Don't want to go on that. So I'll take you into the drag strip. See, that's annoying me now, that cruise control. Now, and to turn it off, you've got to push it back where you turn it on, so it comes back on, then you've got to press it again to turn it off. It's just a bit frustrating. It's not completely user-friendly. So we're going to Heathcote Park Raceway. It's about 20 minutes out of Bendigo. It's a quarter-mile drag strip. There's other videos on my channel of me riding most of my bikes down it. If you look hard, you'll even see the first time I tried to drag race a motorbike and actually crashed it. That was a 790. Because I've drag raced cars most of my life, and I didn't quite read up on how launch control worked, and I dropped the clutch and I full fingered it, so left hand came off the bar, counter steered, spat me off and just did a little, bike did a little 360, but that was alright. I was okay, bike was reasonably okay. Jumped back on it, took it out in the road, make sure it was running straight, came back in, ran a 12.2. An hour later. It's like you got to get back on the horse. It was my own fault. I was rushing. I just bought the 890R that morning. So I wasn't concentrating enough. Oh, gravel. See if anyone's here yet. I think there's some competitors who came in yesterday. Looks like the gate's not open yet. So, looks like the gate's not open yet. But I know some of these blokes.